want to talk to you about how your thoughts create your reality. I know you've heard this concept before, maybe you haven't. And it sounds really crazy. And when I first heard this years ago, I was sort of like, what? But as I've, started thinking about this and realizing like there's so much truth to it. So, for instance, if you're constantly thinking that you're a failure, things aren't going to work out, it's never going to happen for me, you're perpetuating those thoughts. And so that ends up becoming your reality. But when you do have a success, you attribute it to luck, not your aptitude or your ability. And then you perpetuate the cycle again. So you're constantly feeling those like low vibration thoughts. However, when you start to realize, like if you start to go down that spiral, there are some things that you can do to really break away and really rethink where you are and change your perception. So I want to talk about reshaping, rebuilding, and reconstructing your thoughts. Because when you realize that your thoughts become your reality, you want to create the best reality you can. So the first thing is to realize you are not your thoughts. And once you start to realize that and you start to think about, oh, why do I keep saying that? Or how does that keep happening? And you start to catch yourself. And once you start to catch yourself, you can rephrase it right in that moment. And soon you're like, you catch yourself again, and you catch it again. And then you realize like, wow, I've had all these thoughts that really weren't serving me. And that's what, and then when you start to catch yourself, you're like, wow, you start to realize you're starting to reshape how you're thinking and rebuilding. What do you want in your life? How do you want your life to be? As an artist, I've always dreamed about showing in galleries and, showing my work around the world. And so that is sort of where I have focused my reality. But your reality may be different. Like, what do you want? What do you want from your experience? And step 3 is reconstructing. Is realizing like you are in this moment. Your present moment is really all the present moment is really all we have. So being in the moment and realizing like if you're mindful in the moment, you're just experiencing now. Not a conversation you had 5 years ago, which you keep replaying in your head. Maybe you could have said something different. You're focusing on the now. Well, my friends, I hope this gave you some action steps to help you be mindfully present and to really shift your thoughts to create the reality that you want. Well, thank you, my friends.